Hello students, today we will see the second lesson, that is alphabet position of the letter. This is our second lesson of the intelligence, and in this we have to solve questions based on this series of alphabet. Okay, this alphabet. Now, so first of all I will tell you some of the tricks for that. Whenever the alphabet positions of the letter, this type of question will come. At that time we have to write the alphabet in paper also. On above the paper this type of alphabet positions are given. So how these positions are there? This is 5. We have to write these alphabets in 5 group inside. Okay, so here I have already wrote it here. A, B, C, D, E. These 5 letters I took it together. Then F, G, H, I, J. These 5 letters. Next 5 letters K, L, M, N, O. Then P, Q, R, S, T. Next U, V, W, X, Y. So this is the series. And first of all you must know that which is the middle letter of this alphabet series. If you see here, total how many letters are here? Z we are not taking in this alphabet position of letter inside. So total here 25 letters are there. In these 25 letters inside, the middlemost, that is M. M is at which position? 13 position. M's position is 13. That you must know. So here how we are counting? Suppose I want to count R from left side. So immediately 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So we can say that R is present at 18th place. Suppose I have to read this F from the right. So yesterday I told you your right is the notebook's right or paper's right. So if I have to count, then 5, 10, 15 and this position is the 20th position. So in this way, if we are making the groups of these letters, then it will be easy for us, or it saves our time. Okay, we can solve the example based on the alphabet position of letter within a minute. So for that purpose this arrangement is very important. So you must know which is the middle letter for this alphabet position and letter. For this you must know which is the middle letter of this whole alphabet series. So the middle letter is M, that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, total how many are here? 25. So 12 from this side, 12 from this side, and 13th letter is there. That is the which M is there. It is the middle letter of the alphabet series. Next, each groups are there. Okay, that middle letters also you just keep in your mind. So first group middle letter is C. Now these 5 groups are there. In this 5 group inside, which is the middle letter, that also we must know. So first group's middle letter is C. Second group's middle letter is H. Third group's middle letter and the series middle letter is M. The next group's middle letter is R, and the last group's middle letter is W. And when they are asking the question then related to Z, then they are noting that Z we have to use in this series. Okay, now here just I told you the tricks whatever are there, and you must know the positions. Okay, suppose ABCD is there. So in this ABCD inside, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, and last U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z we are not taking. So first of all, whenever you are learning this ABCD series, you must know the positions of. So A's position is 1, B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, and this is 25. Okay. Then next point is the pause. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we written from the left of the series. Now here we will write it from the right. So from right when we are writing, so y will come at first position, x will come at second, w third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and this is 25. So in this way, this also we have to keep in your mind, and when we are doing the practice, by practice it will be perfect. From so which letter is at 11th place from the left? If they are asking left, we have to use this left side, 1, 2, 3, which is there 11th K. Okay, and this K is there. It is this K's position is from left 10th K. From left it is at 11th position, and from right side it is at which position? 15th position. So both the things if we know, then whenever we are solving this example, it will be easy for us, or within a minute we can solve this example. Now if Q we are taking, from right side Q's position is which? From right side Q is at 9th position, and from left side Q is present at 17th position. Okay, so Q's position. In this way, every letter's positions are there. Suppose H I am taking. From left side it is at 8th position, and from right side it is at which position? 18th position. This also you have to take into account, because space problem is there. That's why I wrote it downside. So in this way, if these things also you have to keep in your mind whenever you are solving the examples. Now they will ask you questions based on this also, and positions also, and on the letters also. Suppose the question will come in exam, write the what position of letter SOME, 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 okay, from left and from left. Okay, from left side means here it is my left side. So left hand side, yes position is at which place? 19. So yes will 19. O, from left side O will at 15th position. So 15. M's position from the left side, it is at which position? 13th position. Okay, E's position is 5th position. So this is the group of the what? Group of the numbers from the left side sum. And if same thing they are asking from the right side, so 19 what will come here? 7, then 15. O's position is 15, but from right side, this is from the left side, and this is from the right side. Okay, so 7, 11. Then M's position is from both the side. It is at which position? 13th position, because it is the middle letter of the series. And lastly, E is at which position? 21st position from the right side. Okay, so this is the position. So in this way we have to solve the questions based on the on this series. Again, now we will see some of the question based on this. So first of all, I will rub this, and then we will refer this above series only. Now we will see some of the question based on it. So first question, which is the letter equidistant from K and S? Which is the letter equidistance from which? K and S. Okay, so from K and S, here it is K. So here it is K and here it is S. So in between this K and S, how many letters are there, that we have to count at first. So between is the word in between K and S. So first of all, K is here, S is here. In between K and S, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay, means how many letters are there? 4 plus 3, 7. So if you leave 3 from here and 3 from this side, O is the answer of it. So downside they may be give the options. Any option they will give. Q gave, N given. Second option is suppose N. Then third is M. And last is fourth is O. So fourth is the correct option. So you have to circle the fourth option. And this part is same for the 8th and the for 5th standard. So such a types of questions are coming. Okay, for 8th standard also, and but for 8th standard level is hard, and for 5th standard its level is very easy. We will see next question, that is which alphabet is fourth to the which alphabet is fourth. Which alphabet is fourth to the right of the 5th letter, to the right of the fifth right of the 5th alphabet, fifth letter or alphabet, 5th letter from left in the given alphabetical order. Okay, so here which alphabet is fourth to the right of 5th letter from left of the given alphabetical order. So for this question, options are provided to us, that is suppose it is H, second is the Q, third is the P, and fourth option is the I. Okay, so here in this question inside, what we have to find out, which alphabet is fourth alphabet we have to find. But which fourth alphabet we have to find? To the right of the 5th letter. So first of all, 5th letter is which is E. 5th letter is E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th letter is E. E's right side means this is the E's right side. This side of the portion, blackboard, is right side. Now from here, which letter they want? 4th letter. So from here we will count 4th letter. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So the option is I. So this is the fourth option we have to circle from here. Okay. Then sometimes this only questions what they will ask you, which is the fourth letter. Instead right is not given only to here. Okay. Right word is not given. Which is the fourth to the 4th letter. Which is the 4th letter only here given. Letter of the 5th letter of the left in the given alphabet series. From left side 5th letter is E. Okay, so which is the 4th letter? For at that situation 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So A will come here. Okay, for 8th standard it is for whom? For 8th standard. 5th standard this type of question will not come. They have to write one only answer. So at that time, those students who are in 8th standard, they have to circle the 2 circles from this. And for 5th standard only one question, such a type of question will not come in exam. So they have to circle only the one circle from this. Okay. Now we will move towards the third question or the next question. The next question is the, suppose, which is the, otherwise here I will take another question. In the, which is the 7th letter, which is the seventh letter, which is the seventh letter to the left of R. To the left of R. Okay, so this is the question. So R is here. From this side, left side, seventh letter we have to find out. So 1, 2, here it is position of R. So here R's which left side, which is the seventh letter to the left of R. So R is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is the answer? K will be the answer. In this step up, which is the 8th letter from the right side of N, M. So right side same M's which letter we have to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So U will be the answer. Suppose which letter is the what equidistance from G and the G and O. So at that time what we have to find out? G and O. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 leave, K will be the answer. So these types of questions what happens will come in exam for your what solving. Again we will see some more questions, that is which is the, for 5th standard this easy questions will come only. Okay, so here is the question, if we write the letter N to Y in reverse order. Next, for this question's answer we find it now. Okay. Now the question is the, if I is equals to I is Q, if I is Q, then E is what? E is to what is the question? It's very easy. Suppose I, position of I from the left side, it is how much? It is at 14th position. It is at 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From right side if we see, observe this I and Q. So from right side, Q is also at 9 position. Means from left side I is at 9 position, and from right side Q is at 9 position. Same relation we have to find with the E. So E is 5th from the left. So from this side who is there? U is there. So its answer is U. Now question will come in this way also. Its answers I am writing here. You have to circle, you knows it. Now only I am referring the questions for your better understanding. Now which is the 5th letter? Next question is the, which is the 5th letter? Which is the 5th letter to the right side of, right side of letter P. Letter P. So first of all we have to find out the P. Where is P? It is here. Right side, your right side is book's right side. So P, from P, which is the 5th letter? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is again, its answer is U. Okay, so its answer is again U. Again some questions will come in this type also. If 14 equals to L, if 14 is equals to L, then 15 is equals to O, 15 is equals to O, then 16 is equals to, yes, it's easy. How? Tell me. 14 is equal to L. Now we will see what is the relation. 18 is equal to H is here. 18 is equals to H. So 14. First of all we will see L's position. Here it is L. Okay. It is at which position? First of all 5, 10. This is the group of 5. This second group 10, 11, 12. So 12, L's position is 12. Now we will find the position of H. So H is here. So H is here. So H position is at what? What is the position of H here? H is here and its position is here. From left side, it is at which position? We see in that it is at 8 position. L is also from left side, it is at which position? 12, but here it is 14. So 12 plus 14, if we add this for L's position, which 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. But H position, if I will say, see here from left 8 is there and here 18, so there is no relation. So we will see from the right side. If you see the from right side, L's position is 5, 10, and in this group 13, 11, 12, 13, and this is 14 position. Means here what they had taken from right side, the position of the letter they had taken. So L is equal to 14. Okay, now we will see check the position of H is 18 will come or not. So here also this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, from right side 18 is at 18 place, H is there. Now we have to see 16 position, who is there from the right side. So here 5, 10, 15, and this is 16 position, who is there? J is there. So J will be the answer. Okay, so they may be ask you how they are taken here from right side. Same thing they will take from the left side also. Suppose here given K is equals to 11, S is equals to 19, and they maybe ask you what is the, then G is equal to, then G is equals to. So you have tried, just you see K's position is from 11 from left, S is at 19 from the left, so G's position is 7 from the left. So these types of questions will come in your exam, and if you make the groups of it, it will be easy for you for better understanding. So which pair of the letters, one more question we will see, which pair means 2, which pair of letter is at pairs of letter is at the same distance from P, at the same distance from P. So P is here. So options we have to say at that time. So first option is LU. Second option is HX. Third option is MT. And fourth option is KW. So we have to write its answer. So first of all, which pair of letters is at the same position from which they told you? From P. So I will find P is here. Now LU I have to check at first. Position of L. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 letters leave, then L will come here. So this side U's position. U is at which position from here? After 3 letters L will come, and U is coming after, from P we are taking. If we see from P 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming. So first is not the answer. Second HX we will take. See. So H position from P, how much it is? 5, 6, 7, 8. H is at which position? 8th position from P, and X if we check, P's X we will see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we got the answer, and its answer is which? H, X, and that's why second is its answer. Okay, so you have to circle the second numbers. What? Circle. So this is the question. Again I will take one more question. Which is the in the given series, in the given series, starting from A, if we drop the letter alternatively, if we drop the letter alternatively, then if we drop the letters alternatively, then which will be the ninth letter? Which will be ninth letter? So if you see here, so from A we have to drop one letter. So A will come here first position, B we have to drop. So here what will come? A first, C 2, E 3, G 4, 5 is the I, J we have to drop, K position is 6th position, L drop, 7th is M, N drop, 8th is O, OP drop, and 9th is Q. Okay, so the question answer for this question is the what? Q. So where is the Q written? You have to circle that option. Now, all of you studies is such a type of question. You prepare your own questions also. Otherwise, if you refer the books also, scholarships, then inside it you just solve this question. And today's test inside you will get the, definitely will get the out of marks if you will do the practice of this. So, we'll stop here only. Thank you.